Equitable quality education for transformative higher education in Southern Africa. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Equitable quality education serves as a cornerstone for achieving transformative higher education in Southern Africa. This approach prioritizes inclusivity and aims to address long-standing historical inequalities that have affected access to education for marginalized communities. By ensuring equitable access to educational opportunities, higher education institutions can empower diverse groups of learners and contribute to a more just and cohesive society. Quality assurance is emphasized as a crucial component of transformative education, ensuring that teaching, learning, and research meet high standards and prepare graduates to make meaningful contributions to their communities and the economy. The concept also aligns higher education with broader regional development goals, fostering innovation and addressing pressing socio-economic challenges such as poverty, unemployment, and environmental sustainability. Research and development play a central role in this transformation, enabling institutions to generate solutions to local and global issues while promoting sustainable development. Building robust research capacity and encouraging collaboration among institutions across the region are essential steps toward creating a knowledge-driven society. Additionally, the chapter highlights the importance of sound policy frameworks that guide the transformation of higher education institutions. Policies must prioritize inclusivity, efficiency, and responsiveness to societal needs, ensuring that higher education catalyzes positive change. In conclusion, equitable quality education offers a pathway to a transformative higher education landscape in Southern Africa. One that is inclusive, innovative, and deeply responsive to the region's challenges and aspirations. This vision aims to empower individuals and communities while driving social and economic progress. To foster equitable quality education, higher education institutions in Southern Africa should implement inclusive policies, enhance quality assurance mechanisms, and prioritize research that addresses local socio-economic challenges. Introduction. Education plays a key role in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, especially Goal 4. Which aims to ensure everyone has access to quality education and lifelong learning. Lack of education and literacy often limits people's opportunities and access to important information. Education is important across all 17 SDGs because it helps people gain knowledge, develop skills, and build a better future. It can drive social change by promoting values like sustainability, human rights, gender equality, peace, and global citizenship. To truly transform societies, everyone must have access to high-quality education. This means not just focusing on test results, but also on developing people's abilities to solve problems and contribute to their communities. Education should be treated as a basic human right and a public service that governments must provide fairly to all. A good education system includes strong curriculums, qualified teachers, proper school facilities, and supportive learning environments. The goal is to create a world where every student can learn in a safe space with the tools they need to succeed. Achieving this would lead to a more peaceful, just, and sustainable world. The next step is to look at how these goals are being met in Sub-Saharan Africa. Conclusion. A well-educated citizenry is the foundation of social equity, cohesion, and successful participation in the global knowledge economy. As a result, most countries have set targets to raise the proportion of the population with higher education and/or to expand access to higher education for those who are underrepresented due to socio-economic position, color, ethnicity, religion, age, gender, dis- ability, or location. In general, SSA countries with low rates of participation in higher education must seek to expand access by increasing the number of opportunities available, whereas countries that have already achieved a significant level of participation in higher education tend to focus on broadening access to include more individuals from underrepresented groups. It is also important for universities to focus on the quality and relevance of higher education to accomplish transformational. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.